In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money in Pocket Option with Coinbase, Beginner's Guide. We'll walk through depositing with Bitcoin so your funds arrive smoothly and safely. Start by opening your browser and searching for the official Pocket Option website. Once you're on the site, sign in to your account. Make sure you're on the genuine domain and that your connection is secure. After logging in and landing on the home page, look for the Finance menu and select Deposit. This is where you choose how you want to fund your account. In the deposit screen, use the search bar to find the cryptocurrency you want to use. For this guide, choose Bitcoin since it's widely supported on Coinbase and makes the process straightforward. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit. You'll see a note about the minimum deposit. For example, the screen may show a minimum of P291. If you have a promo code, click the option to enter it now, so any bonus is applied before you proceed. When you're ready, click Continue and Pay. Pocket Option will generate payment instructions for Bitcoin. Read these carefully. You must send the payment on the Bitcoin network only, not on any alternative networks. Sending on the wrong network, sending a different amount than shown, or splitting the payment into multiple transactions can cause the funds to be lost or not credited automatically. Double check the exact BTC amount and the address provided on this page. To complete the payment, copy the Bitcoin address and the exact BTC amount, or use the QR code. Now, in Coinbase, select Bitcoin, choose Send, paste the address from Pocket Option, and confirm that the network is Bitcoin. Enter the exact BTC amount shown by Pocket Option. Keep in mind there will be a minor fee. You want the on-chain amount received by Pocket Option to match exactly, so adjust if necessary before confirming. Review everything one more time, then send the transaction. Return to the Pocket Option payment page and keep it open while the network processes your transfer. Blockchain confirmations can take a few minutes depending on network conditions. Once the transaction is confirmed, the system should recognize it automatically and credit your Pocket Option balance. If it takes longer than expected, avoid sending a second payment. Instead, wait for confirmations to finalize. That's it. You searched Pocket Option, signed in, opened Finance and Deposit, chose Bitcoin, entered your amount and promo code if you had one, continued to the payment page, and sent the exact BTC from Coinbase to the provided address or QR code using the Bitcoin network. Follow these details and your deposit should go through without a hitch.